Hello, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you about how to use STAELLA, and let me go ahead and get started. So, of course, what you want to do is you want to always remember where your screen record button is. Now, crud buckets. See this little red flashing button? If you have an iPad or an iPhone or whatever, you press that button each time, but make sure the microphone's off whenever you want to get the music. Otherwise, it'll hear nothing but you talking. And what you want to do is you want to click on STAELLA. And of course, it'll say enhance your music experience in the loading screen. Enhance your music experience. Good, I'm still recording. So then, of course, as soon as what you see, you will have these files. You choose between some, and hopefully this works. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, it was starting to play. What we got here is we got all these controls. You can always take them off if you don't want them, but I particularly like them. Here's the mirrors, that way you get all that good stuff, and then here's the angle. Well, that's rain, but here's an angle. Hexagon. You got all these stuff. Hue you can mess around with. Whenever you wanna play a video plus this, use one of those and it'll start playing. Use your screen recorder without the microphone off. And also, as see the pause button down there, whenever you want to switch between songs, you can press the arrows. If it doesn't work, go ahead, click on another one, try it again in a different way, and you see the settings button down here. This is how you can mess with the audio input, yada 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 yada. See? So, pretty cool, huh? Well, we'll see you in another video. Bye.